FARMNAVIGATOR Pilota is the automatic steering system designed in Italy, engineered for farmers who demand a complete, easy-to-use and reliable solution. FARMNAVIGATOR Pilota is compatible with hundreds of tractor models across all major brands. A complete solution consisting of the Pilota Motor, extremely compact and lightweight, the All-in-One RTK smart antenna, the brain of the system, and the high-quality steering wheel. Complete the system with the G7 or G12 touchscreen displays. Installation is easy. Remove the original steering wheel and insert the Pilota motor fitted with the new steering wheel and anti-rotation kit on the vehicle's steering column. Wiring is simple and all necessary cables are included. Calibration? It's simple. Just enter your tractor dimensions and follow the guided setup. With 2 cm accuracy, FARMNAVIGATOR Pilota handles parallel guidelines, free lines, and U-turn with confidence, every pass perfectly aligned. The Pilota automatic steering system is integrated with ISOBUS Virtual Terminal and Task Controller to manage all your implements. The system is connected to the cloud. Fields and jobs are synced across your devices. FARMNAVIGATOR, the complete line of precision farming products made in Italy. Discover more at farmnavigator.com. FARMNAVIGATOR is brought to you by AvMap, the pioneers in GPS technology with over 30 years of experience by land, sea and sky.